Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Tanvi.
And my name is Agrima.
And for this video, it's another
Fun
challenge video.
and probably the most fun video idea we've thought of. Yes. So
for this video, we are going to be guessing the Hindi movie / series by the Netflix description.
yeah, so we're also going to do an English edition of the same. So if you're someone who watches English more than Hindi, then that is the video for you. And if you like watching Hindi movies and series, then this is the video for you.
Also, comment with us to know how much you know about your favorite movies
And let us know if you guess it before any of us. So we have 10 movies / series each, and let's see who wins. So without any further ado, let's do this.
So the rules are pretty basic. I'm going to give Agrima the description of a movie or series, and she will have like unlimited amount of time until she wants to pass. And she can ask for one hint.
Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Okay.
So she can ask for one hint, and one hint can be anything, but I will have to answer that hint. But she cannot just ask directly the name of the movie or the series.
Yeah, it has to be. So I'll just ask for the hint, and she has to give the hint अपने हिसाब से. So yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I like.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
I
So,
ask you first.
okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
No, you're not.
I'm not. Okay.
Okay. After witnessing the murder of his father, a village boy moves to Mumbai and falls into a life of crime with a singular motive of revenge.
After witnessing his father's death,
Yeah,
murder. Have I watched it? Acha, you can't tell.
I don't know.
Acha, you don't know.
No, but it's a very popular movie.
Shit, I'm losing
I said
this.
it's a popular movie. I gave you a hint.
But I didn't ask for it.
Yeah. So you still have a hint.
I'm so losing this.
Ask for a hint. I'm going to give you a really good hint. I'll tell you the actor or the actress in the movie.
After witnessing, hint.
It has Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, and this movie has a very scenty song. Very scenty song.
Agnipath.
Yeah. I gave you such nice hints.
Yes,
You should
yes,
have
I
it
agree.
forever.
Yes, I'm going to give you a nice movie.
Okay, she gets 1 point. She gets to fly.
Woohoo! Okay, ready? Okay. Villagers in this kingdom, a very vast kingdom, over a waterfall, rescue a baby who is destined to embark on a heroic quest.
Is it an animated movie?
It's a very popular movie. Very popular. It was. I'll give you like an outlook. So it was made of a lot of money, like a lot of money. It was made of a lot of. So a lot of movies make money, right? This movie was also made of a lot of money.
No.
Villagers of a town.
No clue.
Okay,
Have I
I'll
watched
tell
it?
you. I think you would have. It's a
Hint,
very
hint,
popular
hint.
movie. So it's a Hindi version, which was very popular, and it has something to do with Prabhas.
Bahubali. I have not watched this movie.
What are you
I
saying?
have not watched Bahubali.
She-
Either 1 or 2. The plot thickens around 2 horse racing competitors when 3 beautiful women come into their lives and a murder is committed.
Horse ride? What?
It's a very nice movie. If I can watch it every time, I like the movie so much.
Say it again.
The plot thickens around 2 horse racing competitors and 3 beautiful women come Two horse racing competitors? Yeah. When 3 beautiful women come into their lives and a murder is committed.
No.
You want me to give you a hint?
Yes.
This movie has Saif Ali Khan.
What?
Yeah.
Horse racing competitors.
Mm-hmm.
Horse racing competitors.
I'm not gonna give you a lot of
3
time
beautiful
for it.
women.
Yes.
Is it race?
Yes.
I'll give you a very nice one, okay? If you don't know this, you should not even ask for a hint for this one. Okay? I'll ask you.
This is like, it's stressing me out. I don't know why. These competitions here stress me out.
Okay.
Because you are going to judge me if I don't know it.
Okay, are you ready? Changing fortunes await a wealthy but dejected industrialist when he meets a spirited chatterbox on a train in this.
Jab bhi met. I have this too. I have this too.
Oh God!
I have this too.
ओह, मेरी गलती है बेशरम.
Shit.
So she got it. Okay, your turn.
You might not know this, but this is a very famous movie back.
How rude is that?
Sorry, but I don't think
You're
you know.
starting.
Unhappy in their respective marriages, an ex-footballer and a teacher find true love in each other, but guilt, jealousy and tragedy cloud their affair. My mom said that this movie didn't do well in their time because, you know, affair and everything was not,
Common.
you know, this was a topic which was not touched upon
Yeah,
back
for,
then.
to avoid controversies.
Yeah.
An ex-footballer
And a
and
teacher.
a teacher.
Ex-footballer is for a reason because something happened in the movie when that person could not play football anymore.
It's an old one. Normal old.
Yeah.
Before we were born.
Yeah. I think so.
One eternity later.
Hint.
This movie has Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is the ex-footballer.
What are you saying?
This movie has a really good star cast. Like all the characters, like the divorced couples and everything, the movie has a very good star cast. It has a huge star cast.
I don't know.
Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
Oh, how could I not know
This is
that?
Rani Mukherjee, Abhishek Bachchan, Preeti Zinta, Shah
Oh
Rukh Khan,
God,
Amitabh
I-
Bachchan.
It's one of my favorites.
See?
Still, I don't know. Ready?
Yeah. Always.
An uptight MBA student falls for the charismatic new neighbor who charms her troubled.
Kalhona.
You saw this
No.
on Netflix?
No, MBA, Preeti Zinta. I have watched this movie 1,000 times. This is a very easy one. If you don't get this, I'm never talking to you. Okay? While attending one of the India's premier colleges,
Three Idiots.
You got it too? I just searched for it because you took my job we met. Yay!
अपने दिल पे डाल और बोल all is well, all is well.
3 all.
Yeah. While hosting a shipboard holiday,
Dil dhadakne do. I have this too. This is moving
So
towards
stupid.
like such a failure because we got a lot of similar movies though. So 3, 4.
yeah, you
You
will
will get one, yeah. You will not even get this one. When the American educated son of a powerful Indian family returns to the subcontinent, his first taste of power starts him down a corrupt path. There is no chance you know this.
I don't know.
You want a hint? The movie has Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor?
And it was a very nice movie.
You don't think I watched it?
No.
Rajniti.
You haven't watched
I
it?
have.
You have?
राजनीति की बात करने नहीं आया हूँ.
Yay! 4 all.
An exalted but short-fused surgeon plunges into a spiral of drugs, alcohol, and rage
Kabir
after
Singh.
his
Kabir
intense
Singh.
relationship
Kabir
with
Singh.
his girlfriend turbulently ends.
Kabir
Yes,
Singh.
that's Kabir Singh.
Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy, yes.
An industrialist's daughter is forced to marry a rich heir by her greedy grandmother as her adoptive sister bonds with the charismatic wedding planner.
Hint.
This movie has Alia Bhatt.
Wedding planner.
Come on!
What are you saying?
So easy.
Say it again.
I'm not saying it again. This is the last time.
An industrialist's daughter is forced to marry a rich heir by her greedy grandmother. Wait, when did Alia Bhatt have a greedy grandmother?
Shandar.
Yup.
Shahid Kapoor is a wedding planner. I like that movie. I don't know why people.
Yeah, I also
it.
like that movie.
Why didn't you guess it then?
I don't know why. Worked by her bodyguard, and Iris invents a secret admirer to throw him off his duties, but the plan may backfire when she actually falls for
Bodyguard.
him. But how do you know all of this?
Because I watched the movie.
I also watched all movies.
After her stepdaughter is sexually assaulted at a party, a furious mother sets out to destroy the lives of 4. Yeah, it's a very nice movie. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it.
Yeah.
Amazing performance by Sridevi. Amazing.
It was her last movie, right?
Yeah.
From a resurfaced sex tape to a rogue suitcase of money.
Heroine.
Different stories that overlap as the winds of fate,
we
chance,
watched
and
this
one
movie together.
eccentric criminal.
Ludo.
Yes.
I loved the movie.
It's brilliantly put together, directed, written, everything.
Nice movie. We reviewed it also, so if you haven't watched it,
Go watch it.
somewhere here, go watch it. To win over a landlady who only accepts women as tenants, 2 men pose as a couple, but
Dostana.
so easy.
Basics.
Basics, nice movie.
Yeah, love it. Eager to marry but constantly rejected by women, a bachelor hopes to win over a former crush by accepting help from an unlikely source, her mother. You will not know this. It's recent. Okay, I'll give you that. It's not old, but you'll not know. It has Vikrant Massey. That's not the only movie.
I don't know.
No. Guinea Wed Sunny.
Yeah,
It's
you
a cute-
watch this. An idealistic English filmmaker casts a group of student actors in her docudrama about India's revolution against the British rule in the 1920s.
What? Is this a series?
No, it's a movie. I've picked all movies.
Yeah,
by
same.
the way. Couldn't find any series.
Hindi series we don't watch, I think.
Yeah.
No clue. Hint.
It has Amir Khan.
Rang De Basant.
Yeah.
It came to my head, I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
You should know, but I don't think you will. Returning home to visit their ill grandfather, 2 estranged
Kapoor and
brothers.
Sons.
I love you for guessing this.
So the last and the final movie from my side is distant from her Indian roots, a London-born plans to outwit her father when he arranges her marriage to a villager from the motherland.
Say it again.
Distant from her Indian roots, a London-born. Distant from her Indian roots, a London-born plans to outwit her father when he arranges her marriage to a villager from the motherland.
Hint.
The movie has Akshay Kumar.
हो न जाएंगे तारे जमीन पर
Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
A London-based girl.
Mm-hmm. They play. No, it's not Welcome.
Don't know.
Namaste London.
I'm giving up.
Like,
A goofy copywriter unwittingly convinces the Indian cricket team that she is their lucky mascot.
Indian cricket team, a goofy. This movie I saw.
Yeah.
Zoya Factor. So I have
There was not a lot of gap,
Name.
but yes, you won.
How do you feel after losing?
That's okay.
It's okay. She's crying inside, but it's okay.
No, not crying. I'm dying inside.
So
There was not a lot of gap, and we had a lot of fun. Like
yeah, it was so
yeah.
fun. Like I was very nervous before all this that I would get nothing right. because
Yeah, same.
While I was searching for the descriptions, it was so difficult. I mean,
Yeah.
when does this happen in the movie?
But it was a lot of fun. I'd suggest that you can even
Play with us.
Yeah, play with us, and you can also play with your friends. And on online, since we're not going anywhere, you can also play it online with your friends. It's a very good game idea. So yeah, if you try it out, let us know. Tag us in your Instagram stories. Follow us at Agrima Tanvi.
And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a video. And thank you for watching.